Hello, beautiful souls, and welcome. Today, I want to talk about unity. True unity is not uniformity, it is a symphony of voices seeking a common ground. Unity does not mean that we all have to think the same way, believe the same things, or follow the same path. We are all different, and that is part of what makes life so beautiful. Each person has a unique story, a unique voice, and a unique way of seeing the world. When we bring those differences together with love and respect, we create something more powerful than we could ever create alone. Think about a symphony. Every instrument makes a different sound. The piano does not try to sound like the violin. The violin does not try to sound like the drums. Each instrument remains true to itself, but together, they create beautiful music. That is what unity can look like in our lives. We do not need to lose who we are to connect with others. We can honor our truth while also respecting someone else's truth. We can disagree and still choose kindness. We can have different experiences and still find common ground. Most of us want the same things. We want to feel loved. We want to feel safe. We want to be understood. We want to belong. We want peace for ourselves, our families, and our world. Unity begins with small choices. It begins when we listen without interrupting. It begins when we try to understand before judging. It begins when we offer a kind word, a helping hand, or a moment of compassion. It begins when we celebrate another person's success instead of comparing it to our own. Unity is not only a beautiful idea, it is something we practice every day through our words, our thoughts, and our actions. Today, ask yourself, how can I create more connection? How can I listen with a more open heart? How can I help someone feel seen, heard, and valued? One loving action can create a ripple. One peaceful conversation can heal a relationship. One person choosing compassion can inspire many others to do the same. We are not here to become copies of one another. We are here to bring our unique light into the world and allow that light to shine beside the light of others. Together, our different voices can become a beautiful harmony. Together, we are stronger. Together, we can create a more peaceful, loving, and united world. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to the channel, like this video, share it with someone who needs this message, and press the notification bell so you never miss a new video. With love and light, Ale Yellow Heart. Close your eyes and gently place your hand over your heart. Take a slow, deep breath in through your nose. Hold it softly for a moment. Now breathe out slowly and release any tension. Breathe in peace. Breathe out separation. Breathe in love. Breathe out judgment. With every breath, feel your heart becoming calmer, softer, and more open. Imagine a warm light glowing inside your heart. With each inhale, the light grows brighter. With each exhale, it expands around you, connecting you with your family, your community, and the world. Silently repeat, I am connected. I choose understanding. I choose compassion. I choose unity. Take one final deep breath in. Slowly breathe out. When you are ready, open your eyes and carry this peace with you throughout your day. With love and light, Ale Yellow Heart.